Well, hello folks, Sam Owens here, and I've got a nice product that I want to show you and demonstrate how you can make yourself a 64-inch TV. Yes, without actually going out and buying one. I have a 31-inch screen TV right over here. You can see it's off right now. But sometimes I want to watch games in a much bigger TV, so I've got a projector, and I don't want to run a 40 or 50 foot HDMI cable from the projector to my computer where I'm going to show the games and so forth. I have connected to my computer through my this is a Thunderbolt connection. I forget the name of it, but I have a television converter over here that takes the airwaves from my outdoor broadcast antenna, converts them into a signal that the computer can work with, and I have all the channels so I can broadcast to my projector and watch games, football games, basketball games, and a 64-inch TV or picture instead of the 31-inch. So let's see how this is done. This is the product that I'm showing and demonstrating right now, and it's the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. There's 2 receivers and 1 transmitter, and that's all you need. You don't need Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or anything. It's self-contained. It's plug and play. So let's get started and see what you get. You get 2 receivers here, and they're marked RX. Both of them are the same. And you get 1 transmitter. The transmitter already has the HDMI cable connected. The other 2, you're going to get an HDMI cable to make the connections to, like the projector. Now, I'm only going to use 1 of these. You don't have to use 2, but if you wanted to have 2 displays, you have another one here. You could have another in another room. You could have that same game broadcasting. Okay, so let's just put that over to the side. And in this box are all the cables that would connect it up. Another HDMI and also a power cable. So that's all you need. And it doesn't come with an adapter, but these cords are short. So I'm going to show you, you can use a power station, I'm going to call it, or a power supply right here that has the different connections here instead of using this. And this is portable, and I can use a short cable and have power to the receiver and transmitter. They both have to have power. So let's go and look at what we have to do to set this up. Now, here's the transmitter. The transmitter goes into the computer or a camera. In other words, if you have a GoPro or something, you can broadcast from it also. But we're going to use the computer right now. And this is an HDMI connection. And I can just plug this right in to the HDMI port on the computer, and it'll line it up just right. And this thing will automatically connect. Now, it doesn't have any power right here, and since I have an outlet around here, I'm just going to use one of these type of power adapters. Plug this in and give it external power. Okay. There we go. All right, now there's a button right here, and what it's doing is connecting, but there is no connection because the transmitter is, the receiver is not on. This button right here, you press it and hold it 5 seconds if you don't have a connection. And whenever you have this connected to the projector, which I'm going to connect it to, you would also, at the same, you know, after this one's pushed for 5 seconds, then you go and push this for 5 seconds, and they'll both blink, and then they will connect. So that's how you pair them. If they don't pair automatically, they should. Okay, this is connected. We have power. We're into here. Now, one other thing is to get audio, you have to do something over here under audio on your computer. Go to the little speaker symbol, usually in the lower right toolbar. And over here is the speaker at the bottom in blue. And then there's a little place over here. This is your little place where you go to hook everything up. And right here, it will be on speaker. But when you want to hear them out of the projector, you have to come over here and connect the other portion, which are drivers for the audio that's going to come out of your HDMI port. Okay, so that's one thing. If you don't hear audio coming out of your receiving device, then you've got to come over here and condition it. So the transmitter is set up. We're all set to go. And we're going to see this same picture on my projector that's viewing on the wall. Here's our little receiver, Smart RX, and easy to identify. I flip these up, and when you select your location, you want to try to get the least amount of obstacles in the path between these two. There can be a wall there or something, but it shouldn't be real close. You'll see if you step in front of it, it'll block the signal if you're right up against it, but you can walk through it or past it and it won't interfere. So now I just plug this in, and then we're going to plug this into the HDMI port, and this is all on. And I'm going to use a different cable. You see, the length of this cable is only that much. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to use a little longer one because I want to take this cord and put it on the other side so it doesn't pull down and distort my screen. So I'm going to plug this one into here, and it's a C, Class C to Class C, and all I do is put her over on this side, see, and it'll pull down. And then later, I would mount this on the wall, this unit right here, and really put it in so I can use it all the time without. This is just for demonstration for you. Now, I do have a C port on here, this power supply, and it's putting power out. And see, I can just put it down there for the demonstration. And now we're going to be able to turn this on, and I should get a picture. We should see that picture that's on the computer. That's it. And I can adjust the focus and the tilt. Everything looks good. I would also put the white display screen up. It's way too much trouble just to show this demonstration right now, and it took too long. So you can see there's those are not cracks in the wall, it's stucco. Okay, now I've got the view. I'm going to go in and set the program that I want to watch, and you will be able to display, you'll see it. Okay, the computer is in the other room. I'm going to go and hit play, and we will see what we have here in a video of a bird feeder with a camera in it. But I could project anything from my computer. There's audio, but you'll hear the woodpecker squawk here in just a short little bit. But you can see the scope of this. I don't have to have a 40 or 50 foot HDMI cable. I use the transmitter and receiver HDMI units, which replace the cable and makes it much better. So now this is 63 inches from corner to corner, and so I've got one of the large screen TVs for the games and so forth. Okay, folks, you see the advantages of this product and how easy and simple it is to set up. It's not complicated. There's no apps or anything you have to do other than connect the power, the HDMI cable, and Showtime. You get it. All right, I want to thank you very much for watching my video.